Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 7.2. Before attempting questions of exercise 7.2, we need to know some basic concepts. Number one, what is gradient or slope? It is called either gradient or slope. The slope of a straight line tells us how steep the line is. For example, you see x-axis, y-axis, slope. The slope of a straight line tells us how steep the line is. It is denoted by m. Slope is represented by small m. Formula to calculate slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. For example, if a line rises 3 units when it moves 2 units to the right, then slope is equal to 3 over 2, or it is equal to 1.5. Now, what is positive slope, negative slope, zero slope, and undefined slope? Positive slope, line goes upward from left to right. Negative slope, line goes downward from left to right. Zero slope, horizontal line along x-axis. If the line is along x-axis, then it is zero slope. Undefined slope, vertical line. If it is parallel to along y-axis, then the slope is undefined. Inclination, what is inclination? The inclination of a line is the angle that the line makes with the positive direction of the x-axis measured counterclockwise. Clockwise is moving along the hands of the clock, and counterclockwise is anti-clockwise. The inclination of a line is the angle that line makes with the positive direction of the x-axis measured counterclockwise. Relationship between slope and inclination. Relationship is m is equal to tangent of alpha. This is alpha. Or you can say tangent of alpha is equal to m. Question 2. By means of slopes, show that the following points lie on the same line. Part A, B, C. 3 points are given. We have to show that these points lie on the same line. If we prove that slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, then we will be able to say that AB and C lie on the same line. Let us see. Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 5 minus y1 is minus 3 over x2 is 1 minus x1 is minus 1. Minus into minus plus, 5 plus 3 is 8, minus into minus plus, 1 plus 1 is 2. So slope of AB is equal to 2 fours are 8, 4. Let find the slope of BC. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 in this case is 9 minus y1 is 5. x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So slope of BC is 4. Obviously, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Therefore, A, B and C lie on the same line. Part 2, points P, Q and R are given. If slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR, then the points P, Q and R will lie on the same line. Slope of PQ is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 5 minus y1 is minus 5. x2 is 7 minus x1 is 4. Minus into minus is plus. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 minus 4 is 3. Slope of PQ is 10 by 3. Now slope of QR is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 15 minus y1 is 5. x2 is 10 minus x1 is 7. 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So slope of QR is equal to 10 over 3. Obviously, slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR. Therefore, PQ and R lie on the same line. Part 3. L, M and N are the three given points. If the slope of LM is equal to slope of MN, then L, M and N will lie on the same line. Let us see. Slope of LM is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 8 minus y1 is 6. x2 is 3 minus x1 is minus 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. Minus into minus plus. 3 plus 4 is 7. Slope of LM is equal to 2 over 7. Slope of MN. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 10 minus y1 is 8. x2 is 10 minus x1 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 minus 3 is 7. Slope of MN is equal to 2 by 7. Obviously, slope of LM is equal to slope of MN. Therefore, L, M and N lie on the same line. In part 4, again 3 points are given, point X, Y and Z. If slope of XY is equal to slope of YZ, then points X, Y and Z will lie on the same line. Slope of XY, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is a plus b minus y1 is 2b. x2 is c minus x1 is a. A plus 2b minus b plus b minus 2b is equal to minus b. So in the numerator a minus b and in the denominator c minus a. This is slope of xy. Slope of yz, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 2a minus y1 is a plus b over x2 is 2c minus a minus x1 is c. 2a minus a minus b, c minus a. Slope of yz is equal to a minus b over c minus a. You see, slope of xy is equal to slope of yz. Therefore, x, y and z lie on the same line. Here you can write slope of xy is equal to slope of yz yz. Therefore, x, y and z lie on the same line. Before attempting question 3, let us review the basic concepts of parallel and perpendicular lines. What are parallel lines? Line AB and line CD are parallel when they have the same slope or gradient. If slope of line AB is equal to slope of line CD, then the lines AB and CD are said to be parallel. Perpendicular lines. When are two lines said to be perpendicular to each other? Line AB and line CD are perpendicular when the product of their slopes is -1. First of all, find the slope of AB, then find the slope of CD, then multiply the slope of AB with slope of CD. If the answer is -1, the lines AB and CD will be perpendicular lines. Question 3. Find K so that the line joining AB and the line joining CD are number 1 parallel, number 2 perpendicular. A with coordinates 7 and 3, point B with coordinates k and -6. Slope of AB, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, y2 is -6, minus y1 is 3, x2 is k, minus x1 is 7. So -6 and -3 is going to be -9 over k minus 7. Slope of AB is equal to -9 over k minus 7. C point with coordinates -4 and 5, point D with coordinates -6 and 4. Slope of CD y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, y2 is 4 minus y1 5, x2 is -6 minus x1 is -4, 4 minus 5 is -1, minus into minus plus, -6 plus 4 is -2, minus cancelled with minus. So slope of CD is 1 over 2. Number 1, parallel, because it is given in the statement of the question, because the lines are parallel, so slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. Slope of AB is -9 over k minus 7 is equal to slope of CD is 1 by 2. By cross multiplying, 2 into -9 is equal to 1 into k minus 7. Opening the brackets, -18 is equal to k minus 7. K minus 7 is equal to -18. Transposing -7 to right hand side, k is equal to -18 plus 7, k is equal to -11. Number 2, perpendicular. Because lines are perpendicular, so slope of AB multiplied by slope of CD is equal to -1. AB, slope of AB is -9 into k minus 7 into slope of CD is 1 by 2 is equal to -1. Multiplying the numerators together, minus into plus, minus 1 into 9 is 9, minus 9 is equal to 2 into k is 2k, plus into minus, minus 2 sevens are 14, minus 14 is equal to -1. Minus 9 minus 1 into 2k minus 14, that is multiplying both sides by 2k minus 14. Minus 9, opening the brackets, is equal to minus 2k, minus into minus plus 14. Transposing 2k to the left hand side, here minus 2k, here it becomes positive 2k is equal to 14. Transposing -9 to right hand side, plus 9. 2k is equal to 14 plus 9 is 23. Dividing both sides by 2, k is equal to 23 over 2.